Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art, with me, Florentino. And for today's video, I'm super excited that my Skillshare class number 4 is finally out. I just uploaded this new course and it's featuring how to digitally paint Frida Kahlo or any type of portrait in color. And if you haven't already checked out my previous courses, they've all been in a realistic style, drawing with pencils, and my Skillshare class number 3 was drawing Frida Kahlo using pencils, and it's going to build off of that course. So now I'm combining both traditional and digital together, and that is what this course is all about. And I'm going to leave you with this summary of my course and the materials needed and everything that we will be doing in this class. And don't forget to check out my other ones, because I do have a link in the comment section down below for a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So go ahead and check that out. And if you like what you see, hit that like button, ring the bell, leave a comment, and see you guys next time. Bye-bye. So before we get started, here is a course summary. We only need a few things to get our digital painting started. Now this is an optional item, but this is a 2-finger artist glove. This makes it easy to glide on top of the iPad without leaving smudges and makes it a lot seamless, less oils on the glass of the iPad. And I truly recommend this, but it is optional. But once you use it, it makes things a lot easier when drawing. And one of the most important, I do have a download for the reference photo for Frida Kahlo, just like when we used it for my 3rd Skillshare class. This will make it easy for us to color pick our colors and for zooming in and out when we want to see all of her details. First, we need our Apple Pencil. I happen to have the Apple Pencil 2, but you can use the Apple Pencil 1. And you need an iPad Pro that runs Procreate. And if you've never heard of Procreate, it's a powerful tool used for digital painting that's compatible with the iPad and the Apple Pencil, and they work perfectly together and make it very easy for anyone to start digitally painting or drawing. It's a great way to learn how to digitally paint, digitally draw, because it's super easy to correct mistakes and find different styles, digital styles, that mimic real-world traditional mediums like pencils, inking, pens, acrylic and oil paint, and many more. And in this course, because I did start off with my traditional drawing, which was in pencil, I took a picture of it, which you can do it any way you like, even with your iPhone or a camera, send it to your iPad, duplicate it, make new layers, and we are literally drawing and painting on top of our traditional photo. And that way we retain our realistic drawing, make the traditional coloring super easy, and still have a realistic look. I'm going to show you that using layers will make things easier for us to erase, to correct any mistakes. We will create layers for just her skin color, her skin tone, a separate layer for just her hair, a separate layer for things like shadows, highlights. And for one reason, because we have so much choices, we're going to experiment with different brushes and see how it turns out. And I promise you, if you follow my steps, this is going to be the easiest class and a beginner-friendly course into digital painting. So if you would like to start off by taking my course by drawing Frida Kahlo in pencil, you can do that as well, or just start right here. I hope you're excited as I am to blend traditional and digital together, and let's get started.